Hello everyone and welcome to 555 Barbershop, your home for comprehensive tutorials on barbering. This video features a dark disconnected blend. This one's tricky because my client has very little hair density and his hair is so light around the edges that it's hard to connect the hairline. This is common stuff in the barbershop, so get used to seeing it. This is a regular client, not a hair model. The final shot of this haircut I save for last, so please make sure you watch this video all the way through until the end. Likes, shares, and comments will help this video gain traction so that others can watch it and learn. Now, before we start, make sure you hit the subscribe button on the bottom right corner of your screen so you don't miss any new tutorials. Alright guys, let's begin.
The first step is to establish the guideline. For this exercise, I'm using the 380 ACP by caliber. The detachable metal clip that I'm using is called number 1. Attach a 1.5 guard and fully extend the blade. Go straight up with this guard, but avoid cutting the hair that's been pulled up. For the remainder of this blend, I'm using the 357 Magnum by caliber. Attach a 1 guard and fully extend the blade. Pass through the section, close the blade, and repeat. Attach the half guard and fully extend the blade. Focus on the demarcation. The next step is to create the lineup. For this exercise, I'm using the 38 Super by caliber. The next step is to finish it off with the straight razor. If your haircut looks like this or better, you've done well. Thank you for watching this tutorial, and always remember, always be learning, always be practicing, and always be humble. The clippers and the trimmer in this video have all been provided by Caliber. To find them, visit caliberprocorp.com and use discount code 555.